Hello my students, welcome again. How are you doing? Good? I'm so happy to know that. Okay, we're still in Unit 8 and this is the second part. Now, I want you to open your student's book and I want you to go to page 78. Student's book, page 78, My Daily Activities. Are you ready? Good. Let's get started. Unit 8, My Daily Activities, page 78. I get up at 8 o'clock. I have breakfast at 8:30. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I go home at 4 o'clock. I usually do my homeworks after school. I play video games when I get the time. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. Goodbye and see you soon.